So guys, first method, open any browser. So type HP, go to www.hp.com. This is officially website. Then click to support and then software and driver. And click to printer, and guys enter model number. Then guys type model number HP LaserJet Pro M15a. Okay, printer. So by default detect Windows 10. So if you are using different OS, so just click choose the different OS, then Windows 10, 7 and all servers, all additions is there. Okay, select this and all the installations process same. If you are using Windows 7, so no worry, just follow the same method, then slow down. Okay, so this is troubleshoot tool. So if you are issue in your printer, so no worry, you just download the scanner doctor, you can see the name. Okay, just download. This is require, this is also driver, but you have to require the internet. Okay, this is basic driver, so you can see the printer. So download this one, just click to download. It will automatically start. You can see this. And advance also there. Okay, it's complete. Just single click to open. And guys, this is extracting data to your system. First of all, connect to cable to your printer by printer USB cable, and then click to yes. So guys, you can see this is all remove and follow this if your system exactly new. So okay, then accept. I have the read and all conditions, and then accept. No thanks, this is not required, also not. Now you can see the installations ready to install in the driver. Okay, so now this is finally connect to printer to your laptop by the cable. So you can see this connect on this side, and then okay, then guys when you connect, so automatically detect it. Okay, and then continue automatically. Okay, if you have to connect to sometime later, so you can click to skip. Okay, and then finish. Then connect to cable your printer to your laptop and then restart your system. Thank you.